What's up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're talking about solo stock. Should we buy solo stock now? Keep watching. So I'm going to be talking about this company and what we can expect over the next few weeks. Definitely stay tuned if this is something you're looking to invest in. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing. I try to keep the videos short and simple, so even if you don't know much about investing, you definitely will be able to understand my videos. I'm going to talk about the company Electromechanica, aka Solo, ticker symbol SOLO. I'm going to talk about the company, I'm going to talk about the products they produce, and I'm going to review the trends on the stock market graph. So I'm going to give you my opinion on solo stock. Let's get into it. Let's quickly review the company's statistics. It is a public company traded on the Nasdaq as ticker symbol SOLO. It is part of the automotive industry, founded in 2015, headquarters in British Columbia, Canada. Main products are electric vehicles, 3 brands, the Solo, the Tofino, and the e-Roadster. So if we want to learn more about them, let's go to their company website. As we can see here, we are now on the Solo website. We can see the makes of the cars. They have 3 right on the top. We have Solo, Tofino, and Roadster. Very nice looking cars, kind of futuristic looking. If this is something you're into, then definitely keep watching. I think this is a fantastic stock to put on your watch list, just like Candy and just like Neo. Keep it on your watch list, keep an eye on it. If you can buy it and hold, because EVs is definitely going to be the future. In the next 5, 10, 15 years, all the countries are moving towards electric vehicles, and this is definitely going to improve the environment and reduce the pollution, which is fantastic. Most countries are coming out with the legislation. So let's have a look at the website here. The first car we see is Solo, Solo Share, Solo Utility, Solo Drive. Fantastic. All electric car, looks fantastic, has the definite futuristic look with it. 100-mile range, awesome design, perfect just to take you to work and back. Solo, your plus one. 100-mile range, 80 mph, 2.5 hours charge time. Have a look at the second one, Tofino. Very nice design as well. All electric sports car performance for 2. 250-mile range, 125 mph, 5 seconds. Sleek design. If you are curious to know why EVs are suddenly all on the rise, this is why. This is likely to do with the US elections. Joe Biden looks to be the winner of the presidency, and he favors green energy, which would benefit the EV company. This is why EV companies' shares are skyrocketing. Neo, Tesla, and Solo. Bottom line on Solo stock, buy and hold long term. Electromechanica has never looked so good to investors. If you want to get on it, get in on it now. And remember what I said. Share price could rise more than 1000%. That is fantastic. So if you're looking for the next big thing in EVs, seriously consider Solo stock. Here's why Solo could be your next 1000% winner. You heard me, I said 1000%. Think about that. If you do not get into the stocks now, I don't know when you will get in. Solo stock is 2 months away from starting an explosive upward trajectory. Small cars has never sold this well in the United States before. An electric vehicle pioneer that is on the cusp of bringing a purpose-built, single-seat, 3-wheeled electric car dubbed Solo to the market in the late 2020, hopes to change this reality and sell a bunch of tricycle EVs over the next few years. If the company does that, Solo stock will turn into a 1000% winner. This will be mostly because Electromechanica's valuation today hovers at a mere 175 million. How fantastic is that? Electromechanica's solo car has a compelling opportunity to be the first mainstream and widely successful small car in America. Yes, it's small, but it is fantastic. 1000% winner. I cannot even try to explain to you how fantastic that is. If you want to get in, this is the time that you should be getting in to buy solo stock. So let's have a look at the stock price. You can see that it's up 12%, 12.14%, which is amazing. As you can see over the past few days here, beginning of November, mid-November, there is a constant upward trend starting from the 29th of October. It had an increase on the 5th of November, a slight peak on the 13th of November, a peak, and then a skyrocket here on the 20th of November. This is definitely an upward trend. And what we're going to talk about in this video is if solo is a good buy, and should you buy solo stock now, and how long you should keep the solo stock. So please continue watching. So I'm going to go over the stock prices over the day, month, and year. Let's start with the day. We're going to check the trend out over the day. As you can see, has time passed since 10 a.m. this morning. There's been a slight upward trend, and then it dipped around 11:30 to 12:30. There was a slight dip here. The month, we can see over the past month, fairly consistent here, around $2, 274, 276, 264, continuing, then a slight high here, opening at $3.09. Here, high $3.83. On the 13th, $5.34, which is a good significant growth here. Moving up to $6. Current price now is $10.81. Look at the 6-month trend. We can see it's fairly consistent here, slight peak up here around July, beginning of July. Staying consistent for a while, then slowly dropping down to around the $3 mark, staying in the $3, $2 mark, averaging 270, 280, 250, peaking slightly here at 280, 335. And then here is when the big spike is around the 10th of November. And this is when investors are really pouring in and wanting to buy these shares. This is why the share price is skyrocketing, because investors really want a piece of this year. So as you can see, the trend over the year fairly constant as well, staying in the $2, $3 mark, peaking in July, staying on that high peak around the $3, $2 mark, and then finally skyrocketing here in November. So what would be an ideal price to buy solo stock? I would definitely say stay in the support area around here, around the $2 to $3 mark. It's on the rise, it's on the peak, it's peaked here at $10.81. It probably will come down again. Keep an eye out on it, add it to your watch list. So guys, in my opinion, solo stock, definitely one of those stocks that you should keep on your watch list. Keep a very close eye on it. It's going to explode in the next 2 or 3 months. If you can get in to buy now, I would definitely suggest that you do buy and hold. It's not the time to sell. Buy and hold for long term. This is a long term game. Think 5 to 10 years, 15 years even. And in my opinion, wait for it to drop before you make any purchase. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification to never miss another video. I'm here to keep you updated and informed about all the top performing stocks so that you can be well informed as well. We are all here to make money and we want to increase our wealth. If you are interested in any particular stock, let me know in the comments below and I'll create a video for you. As you can see, over the last few weeks, investors have been pouring in. So this price is definitely going to continue to increase, as we can see from the trend. As soon as investors started pouring in, price increased. So friends, definitely keep this on your watch list. Keep an eye on it for the next 2 to 3 weeks and decide for yourself if you want to buy. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Wall Street analysts' opinion: electromechanical vehicles has received a consensus rating of buy. Solo's revenue increased 63.6% year over year to a 0.25 million in the third quarter, ended September 2020. Global EV sales are reaching new highs every year. Changing consumer attitudes, improved battery economics, broader access to charging, and stricter regulatory policies all present growth opportunities for Solo's flagship product. Growth opportunities, people, growth opportunities. This stock is on the rise. Overall rating A, strong buy. Solo is rated as strong buy due to its impressive financials, short and long-term bullishness, solid price, momentum, and underlying industry strength, as determined by the 4 components of our overall POWR rating. Bottom line, Solo is a good stock to buy. It's a strong buy. If you want to buy this stock, buy it and hold it for a while. We know it's going to grow because of the increase in EVs and the way the future is looking. We are moving towards an electric vehicle society. Everyone wants to get into electric vehicles, so we know that the stock is on the rise.